Hello everybody and welcome back to Throttle Grotto. Sorry if my voice is a little scratchy today. I had a cold. Today I'm going to be putting the accelerator pedal into the 1.4T Rabbit project. And I'm using a piece of kit that I got from Fabless Manufacturing. It's going to make the job super simple. Stay tuned. But today it's like 38 degrees in the garage, even with my little heater running here. So I figured I'd tackle a really short project while I'm waiting on some more parts for the cooling system for this car, waiting on some parts for the Cyborg. So I picked up this really sweet fabricated piece of metal here. It's actually two pieces of metal from Fabless Manufacturing. This is a kit designed for a MK7 accelerator pedal, which is right here, and it goes together super easy. So the first step is you take this bolt out, which I assumed was a 10mm and is not. I didn't even read the instructions. So for those of you that collect wrenches, you'll be glad to know that you get to finally use your 11mm for something other than that one bolt on the bottom side of the transmission that holds that dust shield in place. So this just notches right under there like that. And then that 11 you just took out lines up with this hole right here. So that's all there is to that. Then your other piece also uses the 11, and it attaches just like this. And this is going to stop up against the firewall. This bolt will come out and it'll go through where the pedal pivot mounts onto the firewall. And then this here is adjustable. In the end of it, there's a little Allen wrench if you want to adjust where the stop hits the firewall. And then you have a nice MK7 pedal installed in the car. And it's super easy. So I'm going to mount this in the car real quick, and then I'll show you guys how it sits in the car. Okay, so this is what it looks like installed in the car. Now that I have the bolt. It's easier to install if you take the pedal off. You can kind of use like a rubber mallet or something to, sometimes you got to tap it into place. And then before I installed it, I removed that bolt with the washer from up top there, because you can come out here and go through the accelerator cable hole. And I can't do this with one hand, with my left hand only. All right, taking out that big thick grommet really made a huge difference. Now you can see there's a nice piece of hardware on the firewall instead of just an empty hole. You will need to use a standard Allen wrench. So this one was a 5/32 that I used. And now it's just a matter of bolting our pedal back into the car. So now that is bolted in, you can see the plug is easily accessible right in the center there. So very easy to get to. If you are going to do a heater core change, you'll probably need to take this piece out, just because it does interfere with where the heater cord comes in and out of the box. But has full pedal travel pretty easily, so that's not an issue. It could sit a little bit higher, as opposed to like where the brake pedal sits. It's not quite even, but it's pretty good. It's a very nice, easy bolt-in solution. It took me 15 minutes to figure out how to install this whole thing. So, all right, so there you go. It's so easy, even a YouTuber can install it. But huge shout out to Fabless Manufacturing for making this component. I didn't get this for free. I purchased it and ordered it. But thanks to them for making swap parts for these cars so much easier. So the MK7 pedal is compatible with most of the MK5 and MK6 engines, but it fits into the car way better compared to the huge So this is the huge floor-mounted Mark V/Mark VI pedal. Not really any great way to mount this. This is such a better solution, and I got a used pedal on eBay for I think 35 or 40 bucks. So super easy way to do it. If you're thinking about doing a TSI swap, pick up one of these adapters from Fabless. Will make this part of the job a lot easier. So it's still not 40 degrees in the shop. I'm cold. I'm going inside to order parts for the Rabbit. And until next time, get out there and work on something.